Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to code guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to share Wi-Fi network Tecno phone to any Android phone device. Friends, you want to share Wi-Fi network mobile to mobile. So friends, how to share Wi-Fi network mobile to mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Tecno mobile. Friends, click on Tecno mobile Wi-Fi setting and friends on your Wi-Fi. After on Wi-Fi friends, you can see this type interface on your Tecno mobile. First of all friends, select your Wi-Fi network and connect your Wi-Fi network. After connect friends, you can share this network mobile to mobile easily without any problem. Friends, after connect network, which phone friends you want to connect, you want to join this network on Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting, refresh, and guys on your Tecno mobile friends, click on Wi-Fi and share option. And this phone guys, we will click on scanner, and friends we will scan this QR code. After scan QR code friends, you can see automatic Wi-Fi network will connect on this phone connected. Easily friends, we can use this Wi-Fi network on this device. Friends, I will on YouTube app and you can check friends. So like that friends, we can share Wi-Fi network mobile to mobile like that, and we can use it. So are you friends, you understood how to share Wi-Fi network mobile to mobile? And friends, you want to forget, you don't want to use, so friends you can remove this Wi-Fi network from here. Remove option, Wi-Fi network will remove, and you cannot use Wi-Fi network on this phone. Again friends, you will have to scan, then friends you can use this Wi-Fi network on your device again. Scan QR code and you can scan, you can connect. Bye friends.